Saturday, June 22nd, 2024. St. Paulinus of Nola, Saints John Fisher and Thomas More. Focus. They abandoned the house of the Lord and served the Asherim and the idols. The Israelites constantly had to be dragged away from worshipping idols. Idolatry is not the worship of graven images. It can also be attachment to anything other than God, which consumes our being. It is very easy in our day-to-day to make idols of our job, personal achievements, social media, entertainment, and so on. In my own life, my job and homemaking are my obsessions. These are not bad in themselves, but they become pet idols when I let them prevent me from doing God's will. In the Old Testament, God sent prophets to bring his people back to him from idol worship. In the New Testament, Jesus reminds us that we can either serve him or money, our idol. When we seek him above all else, we can rid our lives of anxiety and worry because he will take care of every need. He is steadfast and faithful in his love. St. Thomas More was ready to die in order to give God first place in his life. We read that before his execution he said, "I die, the king's good servant and God's first." What prevents us from serving God today? Fruit. Once I identify my idols and get rid of them, I will have more time to reach out to my neighbor in need.